Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear students, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to today's Academic Toppers Felicitation Ceremony. Today, we gather to celebrate dedication, perseverance, and excellence in academics. This special occasion is dedicated to recognizing the hard work and achievements of our outstanding students who have set remarkable examples through their commitment to learning. Success is not merely a result of talent. It is the outcome of determination, discipline, and consistent effort. Today, we proudly honor those students who have demonstrated these qualities and achieved academic excellence. With great joy and pride, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you for this proud and memorable celebration of excellence. We shall now begin the felicitation of our Term 2 academic toppers for the academic year 25-26. Shall we start? May I now request our dynamic principal, Sadat sir, to kindly come onto the stage to do the honors. Please give him a huge round of applause, students. Let us now begin with the felicitation of Grade 3 Term 2 academic toppers of 25-26. I request the parents of the child to kindly come onto the stage whenever the child's name is being announced here. Firstly, let me call upon Anaga Nagraj Rao from 4A. I request parents of Anaga to kindly come onto the stage and join the felicitation ceremony. I request the parents to kindly hand over the certificate to Anaga. And I request Sadat sir to kindly hand over the memento to the child. Students, please give Anaga a huge round of applause. Next, I would like to call upon Sadwit H from 4A. And I request parents of Sadwit to kindly join him on the stage. Students, please keep applauding. Next on the line, I call upon Rimsha Sadat from 4B. And I request parents of Rimsha to kindly join her on the stage. This is really a very happy moment to see the child being honored by the parent itself. Next upon, I call Rudra Sandeep Patel from 4B. And I request parents of Rudra to kindly join him onto the stage. Next, we have Tanishka M from 4C. I request parents of Tanishka to kindly come onto the stage. And finally, we have Vanshika Manya C from 4C. I request parents of Vanshika to please come onto the stage. Congratulations to our brilliant students for their commendable performance. Let us appreciate the hard work and dedication with a huge round of applause. Now it's time to felicitate Grade 4 Term 2 academic toppers for the academic year 25-26. Yes. So I request Nischal Hitalmani from 5A to come on to stage. And I request parents of Nischal to kindly accompany him. Next, we have Sakshi Rahul from 5A. I request parents of Sakshi to kindly accompany her. Coming up, we have Ditya Shenoy from 5B. I request parents of Ditya to please accompany her onto the stage. Next, we have Himanshu Adyaveer R from 5B. I request parents of Himanshu to kindly join him onto the stage. Next, we have Ketana J from 5B. I request parents of Ketana to kindly accompany her. And finally, we have Prerana S from 5C. I request parents of Prerana to kindly join her on the stage. Your determination and commitment have earned you this well-deserved recognition. Congratulations to all our achievers. Next, it's time to felicitate Grade 5 Term 2 Academic Toppers 25-26. Firstly, we have Rayansh M from 6A. I request parents of Rayansh to kindly accompany him onto the stage. Next, we have Akarsh B from 6B. I request parents of Akarsh to kindly join him. Up next, Dhruti NB of 6B. I request parents of Dhruti NB to kindly come onto the stage. Up next, Sanvi HB of 6B. I request parents of Sanvi to kindly accompany her. Next, Dhruti G Raj from 6C. I request parents of Dhruti G Raj to kindly accompany her. Next, Vaibhav G Rajiv from 6C. I request parents of Vaibhav to kindly join him. Finally, we have Karunya N from 6D. I request parents of Karunya to kindly accompany her. Congratulations to all the academic toppers from grade 3, 4, 5 of academic year 25-26. Please give them a huge round of applause, students. While academic excellence is commendable, achieving the highest position in an entire grade is truly exceptional. We now move on to recognize the students who have emerged as the overall grade toppers. May I request Sadat sir to do the honors? From grade 3 term 2, the grade topper is, any guesses, students? Yes, Tanishka M, who is now in 4C. Congratulations, Tanishka. Yes, I request parents of Tanishka to kindly come onto the stage. From grade 4, term 2 grade topper is Yes, it is Sakshi Rahul from 5A. May I request parents of Sakshi to kindly join her? From grade 5, the term 2 grade topper is it's Dhriti Jiraj from 6E. I request parents of Dhriti Jiraj to kindly join her. Heartiest congratulations to all the grade toppers. Your remarkable achievement is a reflection of your hard work and determination. Let us give them a huge round of applause, students. Thank you. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to parents whose unwavering support, encouragement, and guidance have played a significant role in the success of these young achievers. Thank you for being strong partners in our children's educational journey, parents. Thank you. Now, I would like to take an opportunity to thank our school management for giving us this opportunity to celebrate the happiness with all of you. I'd also like to thank our principal, Sadit sir, for gracing this occasion and honoring our students today. Also, thank you to all our dear parents for your presence and sharing this happy occasion with all of us. Thank you, dear parents. I thank each and everyone for being a part of this wonderful celebration of excellence. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, students. Let us continue to strive for knowledge, growth, and success in all what we do. Thank you, everyone.